Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joy Donas Charles, a Nigerian teacher based here in the US. Um, if this is your first time of clicking on my video or coming to this channel, you're absolutely welcome. I love you so much. Thank you for stopping by, and I promise you that you will not regret any time spent here because you will learn a thing or two from this channel. And if you're a returning subscribers, you guys are the best. I love you so much for always supporting me and for everything and the comments and encouragement. I appreciate it. In today's video, I'll be making an Italian slash American dish I've come to love so much, the shrimp Fettuccine Alfredo. This video was inspired by Sisi Yemi. She's a Nigerian YouTuber. She does has a lot, millions of recipes to her own credit, and I really loved watching her make this dish in the Nigerianized way. She made the chicken Fettuccine Alfredo with a twist. She used the chicken suya. You know, if you're in Nigeria, you know what I mean by when you say suya. And I really loved that recipe, and I decided to try it out and make it as lunch for my family today. So if you're interested in seeing how the dish turns out or what I get up to in this video, please keep watching. So for this dish, the shrimp Fettuccine Alfredo, I'll be using this cooked, peeled, the vein tail on extra large shrimp. That's what I'll be using. And then I have the Bella Rosa. It is actually a grated cheese, a president butter, salted, parsley, garlic, the linguine dish, which is like the main ingredient, black pepper, white pepper, onion, the Alfredo sauce, pasta sauce, the Alfredo pasta sauce. And then I have this chicken, fully cooked, fully sliced into strips, chicken breast. And this is actually a very quick recipe, so that's why I decided to try it out. So keep watching to see what we open it up so you see what it looks like. It's thicker than the so this is my fully washed shrimps. So I'm going to just season it nicely and then cook it in. And my water, I see that my water is already boiling, so I'll just put in the pasta. I'm just going to put in my pasta to ensure that it doesn't stick together. Really hot at this point. I'm just going to add. Okay, I have my chopped onion and garlic. So then I add my garlic, Alfredo sauce. Show you what this looks like. I just added the cream, that's the Alfredo sauce. And I have, like, considering the quantity of pasta I have, I don't know if this is enough. I'm going to add some cooking butter, just a little piece. Some white pepper. And 2 more of the black pepper. I'll be adding some of the chicken breast. You put in the shrimp, my fully cooked shrimp. Some of the, see what the chicken strips. At this time, this looks so good. This time I already have my parsley nicely chopped into little chunks, little pieces rather. Add my parsley. It is the last thing to do for this meal. And my parsley. Oh, it's so good. My shrimp Latino Alfredo is ready, and I'll be serving my husband this as lunch with a fruit wine. So let me see his reaction. I'm able to film his reaction testing this food for the first time. So much for watching this video. If you enjoy watching this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying this recipe, if you're going to try to make the chicken flaccino alfredo or shrimp flaccino alfredo. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.